and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, and you may have noticed that lately the content has been a bit slow. In fact, it's been non-existent for the last couple of weeks, and I did briefly explain why on my social media recently, and I want to send a massive thanks out to everyone who got in touch with your positivity and support regarding what's been going on. I really appreciate it. Sorry to anyone that I didn't reply to. I have been basically staying away from the internet and my phone. Now the reason I've had to have a bit of a break from YouTube is because I've been having a bit of a battle lately with my own mind. Now I don't like to bang on about it, but my mental health is something that I need to keep a close eye on day by day. And as a result, I've discovered a few things that I need to do and a few things that I really must not do to keep myself sane-ish. But recently I let my guard down and yeah, I ended up in a bit of a dark place, but I am much better now. YouTube has been something that enables me to focus on something rather than letting myself get overcome by my own mind. But if I'm honest, more recently the editing process in particular has become a bit of a chore. Now I'm hoping that after this little rest I'll be able to get back to how I was before, but I'm thinking that I might have to come up with a little bit of a system for editing the videos to cut down the editing time, because I spend more than 10 hours editing each video. I don't want to make the quality any less though, you know, I like to make the videos as best as I can, but yeah, if I'm unable to come up with a system, then I might have to think about getting someone else to edit the videos. I don't really want to do that because I like to do everything myself, but if I did do that, it would take the pressure off me a bit, but also free me up to spend time on some other stuff to do the channel, like chatting to you guys online and sharing your cars on my social media, which I really have neglected lately. So we'll just see how it goes. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video to let you guys know that I'm all right. I have literally been inundated with messages of support, as I mentioned earlier, which I really appreciate. Right now, I've got 2 videos that were shot before I had a break, one of which is almost edited, and I actually did film another video a couple of days ago, which you'll be able to see after those other 2 videos. So yeah, massive thanks to each and every one of you for your continued support and your patience, and I'll see you again very soon.